In this video, I'll show you two ways to change the DNS on Windows 11. This can help you speed up your network for gaming or access certain blocked websites, depending on what you need. For the first method, press Windows I to open Settings, or you can click the Windows icon on the taskbar and select Settings. Next, head over to Network and Internet. Here you'll see a list of your active network connections, like a wired connection or Wi-Fi. Look at the top icon here to know exactly which network you're using. I'm on Wi-Fi, so I'll click on Wi-Fi. And then click the name of the Wi-Fi network I'm currently connected to. Scroll down, find the DNS server assignment option, and click the Edit button. Next, change the setting from automatic to manual and turn on the toggle for IPv4. Once IPv4 is on, you'll see fields for preferred DNS and alternate DNS. This is exactly where you enter your desired DNS address. Right now, the most popular choices are Cloudflare for fast speeds and security, and Google DNS, which is extremely stable. There's also OpenDNS, which is great for blocking malicious websites. I'll put the DNS lists for these three services on the screen. For example, here I'll use Cloudflare. In the Preferred DNS section, I'll type 1.1.1.1. And for the alternate DNS, I'll type 1.0.0.1. If you're using Google or OpenDNS, you just enter theirs instead. Then hit Save. And that's it. You've successfully changed your DNS. Now with this method, the DNS is only applied to this specific network connection. If you connect to a different Wi-Fi network, your computer will revert to the default DNS from your internet provider. If you want to change the DNS for all Wi-Fi or wired networks, let's move on to the second method. For the second method, we'll use the traditional control panel. Press Windows R, type the command ncpa.cpl, and hit Enter. Here, select the type of network you want to change the DNS for. I'll choose the Wi-Fi network. Right-click it and select Properties. Look for the Internet Protocol version 4 item and double-click it. Down at the bottom, click the option that says Use the following DNS server addresses. This time, I'll enter Google's DNS. The preferred DNS server is 8.8.8.8, and the alternate DNS server is 8.8.4.4. After that, just hit OK. At this point, if you go back to the settings section from the first method, you'll see a message stating that the DNS settings for this specific Wi-Fi network are no longer used, because you've now set the DNS for all Wi-Fi networks. After changing your DNS, just to be thorough, you can clear your cache by opening Command Prompt. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Next, type the command ipconfig /flush DNS and hit Enter. Finally, you can double-check your active DNS by typing the command ipconfig /all and pressing Enter. Scroll down to the DNS servers line, and you'll see that Google's DNS is now applied to your internet connection. Alright, so in this video, I showed you two ways to change the DNS on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.